In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform your normal video into a stunning 4K HDR style video using CapCut. This will bring an exceptional level of clarity and vibrancy to your footage, so let's dive right in. To start, open up CapCut and bring your video onto the timeline. This is going to be the foundation of your HDR transformation. Once your video is set, the next step is to tap on Adjustment. From there, you'll want to choose Custom Adjustment, which is the key to refining each visual detail. Within this menu, find the Curves option. By adjusting the curve, you can enhance the contrast and brightness of your video, giving it that much desired depth and dimension. Go ahead and extend these adjustments across the entire video to maintain a consistent look throughout. Now let's move on to the Effects tab. Within Effects, search for Blur, add it to your timeline, and stretch it to cover your entire video. This layer of blur will play a pivotal role in achieving that high dynamic range effect. Once you're satisfied, it's time to export your video. Since I have already exported my copy, feel free to do so at your convenience. Once your export is complete, let's head back to the timeline and prepare your canvas for the final touches. You'll need to delete the adjustment and blur layers that we added earlier. Now it's time to import your newly exported video and place it back onto the timeline. Open the Blend menu next, and for a rich contrast effect, choose Color Burn. Adjust the opacity to around 30%. This blend mode brings depth, enhancing the distinctions in your footage. Now we're going to make use of a white background, export a plain white screen, and add it directly onto your timeline. Set its blend mode to overlay and slightly lower the opacity. This underlayer will subtly highlight your video's intense colors, pushing the HDR effect even further. With your main video back in focus, let's make some final adjustments. Fine-tuning elements like tint, saturation, brightness, and contrast helps you craft exactly the image you envision. Adjust highlights, shadows, sharpness, and clarity based on your personal preference. If you're looking for precise color control, delving into HSL adjustments will let you rework hues as needed. After making these adjustments, ensure that these enhancements span the entire video length. And that's it. Your HDR style video is complete. At this point, you can export it in 4K resolution to enjoy the best quality possible. It's incredible to see how CapCut can elevate your visuals, giving them a professional touch with just a few steps. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing CapCut tips and tricks.